Alright, so what's up guys? And finally the Pixel 9 is in the house. It was just delivered and I can't wait to unbox it and try it out. So this is going to be a quick video of the unboxing, and I just wanted to show you guys because this is a new box and they are saying that it is zero plastic, and it also looks like zero plastic. Honestly, it feels like it as well. So yeah, I know there are like tons of unboxings already, so thank you for coming to mine. All right, so we just have to slide this out. There we go. So this is a bit difficult to take out, but there we go. So this is the box here, and you can clearly see that this is made out of recycled paper, is what they say, and you can see it. So we'll just quickly take the packaging out. Oh, there you go. That is the Pixel 9. The reason why I didn't go with the Pro this year, oh, and again you have the charging cable in the box, you don't have the adapter anymore. So in the box as well you have a few paperworks that honestly no one would read. So yeah, only the phone and the cable is what you get in the box, and here is the phone itself. So all you have to do is just slide it out from the top. So yeah, you can just slide your phone out. There you go. And yeah, that is it. This is the Pixel 9 in the all new color, and it is pretty similar to what you have on the iPhone, as you can see. So yeah, pretty excited to try all the new features, all the AI features, and again plenty videos on the Pixel 9 will be coming soon on my channel. A lot of case videos as well. I'll just quickly show you guys the difference between the two visors. This is the Pixel 8 Pro and this is the Pixel 9. And the reason why I didn't go with the Pixel 9 Pro this year is because I couldn't justify the $200 difference in the price that the regular 9 had with the Pro. I think all the features we get is the same, and there's nothing you can differentiate as far as the specs go. You just get like the AI features, 1 year of premium AI and everything like that, which I already have, so I honestly don't need that. But yeah, I also want to try the new Pixel 9, so that is why I got this. And honestly, if you just want a Pixel, just go for the Pixel 9. Honestly, $200 price difference is not something anyone can justify based on what specs you get and everything else with it as well. But yeah, honestly, the camera in real life is looking really nice. In renders, people didn't actually like it, but seeing it now in the flesh, it's actually pretty nice. So yeah, as I said, a lot of new videos will be coming on the Pixel 9 in the future. Do subscribe to the channel if you want to see the Pixel 9 coverage, be it software, be it hardware, be it case videos and everything like that. So yeah, do subscribe. And yeah, this was a short little video, but yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my unboxing. I know there's nothing different in unboxing videos, but thank you for watching mine. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.